The Supreme Court on July 22nd declined an urgent hearing on a plea challenging the police action against students during the Cockroach Janata Party-led protest march in Delhi. The matter was mentioned before a bench headed by Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant. The petitioners' counsel claimed to have video evidence of alleged police brutality against students and sought an urgent listing of the case. The Chief Justice, however, refused the request, saying the court was not interested in watching videos and had no time to do so. The bench declined to grant an urgent hearing. The plea relates to the July 20th Chalo Sansad protest, during which security forces carried out a massive lathi charge to stop protesters marching towards Parliament. Protesters alleged that pellet guns and nail-studded batons were used, claims that Delhi police has denied. Several people were injured in the police action, which also involved tear gas and baton charges. Videos of the crackdown circulated widely on social media. The development comes a day after the Delhi High Court took up two petitions alleging excessive use of force during the protest. The High Court issued notices to the centre and Delhi police seeking their responses. It also directed authorities to preserve all relevant evidence related to the police action, including CCTV footage and other videography, until the matter is heard. The petitions challenge the alleged use of excessive force by police during the protest over the NEET paper leak and examination irregularities.